wish I could be back being a company driver. Jesus, this shit is annoying, man. Brake chamber is going bad. I went through the logs and they tell me they can only see me tomorrow at 6 p.m. So what I gotta do is bypass it. I'm showing you how to bypass the brake chamber. But most likely this is not for company driver. Most company driver will not do it, and if you work for a big company, they're not gonna allow you to do that too. So for you folks out there as owner operator, it's easy, but it's really, sometimes you feel like you don't want to do it, man. I had to change my clothes, man. I just take a shower, you know. Yeah, I just take a shower, man. And I got my good clothes on me. Sometimes if it's not the trailer, it's gonna got something for reverse on the operator. Okay, I'll show you the rest in a moment. All right.